We all have a lot of flashlight and they don't last that long. This right here is a game changer. It's one of the best, strong, heavy duty, bright flashlight that comes with many different type of features, and I'm going to show you why this flashlight is worth your next buying. Think about this flashlight, you could plug it in and it charge, or what you could do is to lose this out right here, and you could take out the rechargeable battery and you could put in regular AAA battery in here and use batteries if you don't have anything to plug it in as a emergency backup. So that's a double option, which is a big plus. A lot of flashlights do not offer that. This right here is the next game changer. They send this charger right here to this plug. What you do is a USB plug that you could plug in, and if you have an Apple or an Android phone or tablet, or you want to charge another flashlight or whatever you want to do, you could take power from this source, which is very good in an emergency. And then you could just cover that right there. Nobody knows everything. You could hook this on right here. It's very strong, magnetic over here, right here. And the other thing I'm going to show you, we're going to light this up to show you how bright it is. I'm going to cut off the light. But right here, you could turn this. You could turn it to make it small, or you could turn it to make it wider. I'm going to show you on the wall so you could see how bright this flashlight is. It's really, really good top quality. And then you got dimmer, the low dimmer at all, and then off. All right, so we got a little dark room, but let's make it a little bit darker. I'm going to show you. Whoa, look at that. See how bright that is? And then we could make it wider, brighter. Look at that. Man, it's really bright. Trust me, I'm not telling you this to buy it. I'm just letting you know, as a homeowner and as a parent, we had one or two emergency before. And flashlight, you cannot run out. Flashlight, and I get the lanterns too. So this is a really good light. It come in many different color, green, black, red, whatever. Check it in the description box of price and details. And overall, a strong, good quality flashlight. It's definitely worth it in my book, in my opinion, especially, you know, if you're going to get a blackout or a power outage go out, or some fishing or whatever, hunting or something like that, or whatever hunting or whatever you're doing, you definitely need a flashlight like this. Highly recommend here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on Product Zone for honest review, and all my links in the description box will take you directly to Amazon.